Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, and it's January 24th. We just got a couple economic news releases on the docket for today, and that will start off with the manufacturing number for market flash PMI. So anything above 50 is considered expansion, anything below contraction. So today we got expansion. Back in December we had a 54.3, and January manufacturing went up again, up to 55.1 this time. So a nice overall number right there. Existing home sales for the month of December. It's actually a good number, which I'll explain in a minute. But November we had a 5.61 million, and for the month of December we had a forecast of 5.51. It came at 5.49, so a little bit less than expectations. So we had a dip from November to December, but for the year 2016, this is the highest number we've had existing home sales since 2006, so about 1 decade, obviously, 10 years. So good number right there. We'll be pleased with that, even though it dipped a little bit, but overall the whole year to date was good. Obviously it could have probably been a little bit more due to lack of inventory. We weren't able to obviously get more existing home sales, and it dipped at the end there because after the election we had a sudden spike in interest rates, which kind of affected a lot of people in that area. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look here further. We have the stock market's currently up a little bit. It's kind of reviewing a little bit. It's kind of in a where the stock market's at, because it went up so much, so fast on the euphoria of the Trump election, thinking that deregulation and tax cuts and everything else. Now he's in office, they're doing the wait and see approach. So they're waiting to see how his tax cuts and or how he's going to do all these different things he said, because he talked in generality. Now they want to see it in action and want to see how it basically transpires. So now they're kind of being a little bit more cautious on their levels. So we're getting earnings reports coming out. Some are good, not so good. They're out there. I think Verizon, Yahoo basically said they're going to delay their transaction another quarter due to some of the infrastructure hacks, I guess they got hacked into. So they're going to be delayed for another quarter, they say. Let's take a look here at the bond market. So we had a nice little rally yesterday. We did touch off the important 50 day and the 10-day moving average, which pulled us below the first level resistance. Today we started off much lower off the 10-day after 25-day moving average. Have risen up a little bit. So right now we're down about 15 basis points. But at some point, because we're even lower, they had a price for the worse so far. But again, so far this morning it's improved a little bit. We do got treasuries, 2-year treasuries being sold today. The Fed Treasury is selling off today. They got 3 days. They're going to be selling off treasuries this week, and today happens to be the 2-year. So that could also have a play on the market. Right now, the 10-year bumped up from yesterday at 2.4 up to 2.43. So some of the money came out of here into stocks as well as the 10-year treasuries at the expense of interest rates. So basically, right now, this means that our rates are a little bit higher than where we left off yesterday. So, all right, folks. So if you guys need any more information throughout the day, want to kind of follow along, you can go over to Twitter. Find me at Mike Bjork under Twitter, and I'll be posting throughout the day. Have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.